Okay.
What's up, guys? That was Lucky sa Wikang Pinoy. Swerte.
Swerte.
Feeling swerte ba tayo lahat tonight? I mean today. Hindi ko pala gabi, sorry. Thank you guys for coming here kahit syempre makulimlim pero hindi nila mapapabagsak ang warm energy ng mga Pinoy!
Let's go!
Yeah! And of course, nandito tayo lahat to celebrate a lot of things, most especially our Independence Day. So happy Independence Day, Philippines! And of course, to all the migrant workers here, National Migrant Worker Day din. So congratulations for, still being here and coming here. Thank you for celebrating with us. And of course, let's not forget the 75th diplomatic relation between Philippines and South Korea, which we are so proud to be a representative of both countries because we are based here in South Korea, but in blood we are Filipinos. So I hope you enjoyed Lucky, but we still have another performance left for you guys. Are you guys doing well there? Okay ba? Lahat naman? Hydrated? May tubig? Okay naman?
Yes, of course, it's always an honor to, to perform here, to represent the Philippines here in South Korea alongside with the amazing artists that we are with today. We really appreciate all of you guys. And I think Kuya Kyler wants to tell them something.
Oh yeah, lalabas po ako sa music video po ni Ison Chul Sanbenim.
Yeah, Ray Day.
Sa June 11.
6 p.m.
Yeah, 6 p.m.
6 p.m. Korean KSC.
Abangan niyo po.
Yes, mapapanood niyo po siya mag-acting, guys.
Yeah.
First po yan ng group namin. So please look forward to it. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the remaining performance. This has been Horizon!
Salamat po.
Naalala ko noon, nung una tayong kita, hindi ko talaga malilimutan. Nakakailang na pagbati ko sa iyo, balik mo'y matamis ng ngiti. Pag nakikita kong matang nagniningning, di ko alam bakit lumuluha. Di ko man nasabi. Alam mo ba, salamat dahil ikaw yun. Sobrang salamat dahil tayo to lahat ng masasaya mga panahon. Kaya hanggang sa
Mahal kita.
sa totoo lang, nung una kita nakita, ligaya niya sa harap lang tuwing tayo'y magkasama. Pag-ibig na sa gabi, itong paghihirap, maging ligaya para sa'kin sa tuwi-tuwi. Hindi ako natatakot, naniniwala ko pag hawak ko ang iyong kamay. Ang ibig sa pagkakot na walang kapalitan sa nararamdaman ko ang pagmamahal. Kita ko ang iyong mga ngiti, di ko alam bakit lumuluha. Di man nasabi. Alam mo ba, salamat dahil ikaw yun. Sobrang salamat dahil tayo to lahat ng nasasayang mga panahon. Kaya hanggang sa mahal kita. Lakas loob ka nang sasabihin ang nais na iparating.
Once again, thank you so much for having Horizon. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for the embassy, for Wishbus for having us. It's such an honor to celebrate this special day with you guys. At wag niyong kakalimutan, mabuhay Pilipinas! Happy Independence Day!
Mahal ko kayo!
Alam mo ba, salamat dahil ikaw yun. mahal kita. Ito'y di magbabago. Mahal kita.
Mahal ko kayo.
Mahal kita.
Love you guys. Thank you so much.
you,
Salamat po. Kami po ulit ang
Horizon!
Thank you guys.
Hep,